In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI ad for a pen. So first of all, we need to go to Novoads AI. And here you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and here we need to click where it says see more. Perfect. The tool that we're going to use is this one, image to product ad. And here we need to click where it says click to upload. Now we are going to select our product, and here I'm going to choose some styles. So I want the ad with an actor. So I'm going to select this option, and I want a man to be using the pen. Now in add text, I'm going to select yes, and in text language, I'm going to choose English. Perfect. Now I'm going to click in generate, and now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect. Here we have the ad of the pen that personally I like it a lot. It looks very natural and realistic, and the text combines with the pen. To create an ad like this one, you can try today Novoads for just $1. And if you don't like it, you can just cancel anytime. So if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.